Good day, Ma'am Sir. I am Kenneth Cardena Suset, 27 years old from San Antonio, Ramon, Isabela. I am happily married and blessed with one child, and she is now 2 years old. My hobbies are dancing, singing, making DIYs, and dressmaking, and also researching new recipes. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate and Bachelor of Secondary Education. I have work experience in Hong Kong within 6 months into one couple with 2 children, ages 6 years old and 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children, bringing them at the school, tutoring their lessons, and making the household chores, like washing dishes and clothes, marketing, and many more. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, and independent, hardworking woman. I'll promise to taking care of your children with care and love, and also to treat your family as my own. Looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.